Sure. So Allah Azza wa Jal gives us a synopsis. Here's what your life, worldly life, lowly life, the lowest life, ad-dunya. Ad-dunya comes from adna, the lowest life. All it amounts to, annama is kalimat al-hasr. The way I translate that is, you had better realize, you had better know, you had better understand. Worldly life amounts to nothing more than la'ibun, playing. There's nothing more than games. A child, what's the most important thing to them? Abba, can I have the big panda? Can we get some Hot Wheels? Can we play? Can we play a game? Can we play hide and seek? Can we go to the park? When a kid is little, what's the most important thing in his mind? Playing, nothing else. He can skip food, he can forget how heavy the diaper is, he can forget all that. He's still playing. He's in the zone. You know? La'ibun. And then you get a little older, and then you realize there's such a thing as cartoon shows. There's such a thing as Pokemon cards, and Yu Yu Hakusho, and God knows what else. You know? You realize there's movies, stories, storybooks, songs, poems, entertainment. Entertainment. وَلَهْوٌ. You get a little older, the new virus installed on your system is entertainment. وَزِينَةٌ. And then you get a little older and you become self-conscious of your image. How do I look? I need to work out more. You know? What size shirt should I wear? What brand should I wear? What color should I wear? You know, you're trying to match your purse with your hijab. You know? Guys trying to fix their hair in every reflection they see, even though they're bald. You know? Dudes with those pencil beards, you seen those? So hard to do, it's such a work of craftiness. The pencil beard. And he's still stroking it like it's like, you know, a Kung Fu master beard, like, there's nothing there, bro. But it takes a long time to fix that. Girls always wear it, even the girls that wear hijab. Is it like a little high up here? It's uneven, I don't know. How does it look? The husband says, your father says it looks fine. No, it doesn't. My head is oddly shaped. Okay. Yes, something is wrong with your head, but not physically. You know, your image becomes so important to you. Beautification, decor in your house, the car you drive. Then you get a little older and the image thing goes away. You know in high school how fashion conscious kids are, teenagers are? How image conscious they are, right? How freckle conscious they are. How much Noxzema is sold to teenagers, or oxygenating cream or whatever. But then you move on, and it's all about which college did I get admission to? Where did I graduate from? I have an internship. This is tafakhur. You want to make sure you show the other what you got. Whether it's through education, what kind of car. Two janitors could be competing. I got an aluminum broom. You got plastic? I got aluminum, BMW. Branding in brooms. You have to have some sense of, you know, you get older, you start doing it with people around you. Tafakhurun bainakum. Hey, so where'd you go last year for vacation? We went to California. Oh yeah? We went to Hawaii. Tafakhur. That's tafakhur. Yeah, I only fly first class. It's so hard. Seriously, you scum of a human being. This is tafakhur. Tafakhur is, you know, you have to make sure people know. It says in your convention badge, it says doctor. You can't just say Abdullah. Before Abdullah, there's Dr. Abdullah. PhD. You get obsessed with your label. You get obsessed with showing people what you've accomplished. Because you're just now a newly formed adult. You're out of the cocoon. You're out of your parents' house. You have your own apartment. You have your own car. You have this or that or the other. And you just you get the iPhone 5. Is it 5? 5? You show it off. Like, hey, look at this. It's so much better. You can't tell, right? Yep. I can't either. But I got it. First to get it. Tafakhurun bainakum. But then even that phases away. You go past it. وَتَكَاثُرٌ فِي الْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَوْلَادِ. And this one sticks. And you just want to get more and more. And you have a mutually shared sentiment about your children and about money. savings, expenses, bills, the mortgage payment, the electricity bill, the car insurance, the college savings account, the IRA, the this, the that, the other. تَكَاثُرٌ فِي الْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَوْلَادِ. You ask any parent at any given time, whether they're conscious of it or not, what is running in their head? Kids, children. Kids, children. Kids, children. Gotta pick them up from school, gotta buy these books, gotta do that, gotta do this, gotta do that, gotta do this. Constantly, it just invades your mind. It takes you over. And that's all your life starts amounting to. These are distractions in life. These are the things that your worldly life amounts to. And Allah says, كَمَثَلِ غَيْثٍ. All of that is like the example of perfect rain. Rain that comes just at the right moment. Rain that you were hoping for. The farmer, أَعْجَبَ الْكُفَّارَ نَبَاتُهُ. The produce that came as a result of that rain impresses the farmer who had buried the seed. Kuffar here means farmers. Because kafara is to bury a seed. Now let me tell you, when a farmer buries a seed in the ground, he has no idea how the crop's going to turn up. No clue. He's depressed. He doesn't know if it's going to rain, if it's going to be a good year or bad year. He has to do all this work without knowing any results. But when one day he wakes up and he sees rainfall, he starts seeing little sprouts of green. Is he full of hope? He's so happy that it rained. He's dancing around. All these agricultural societies, they have like literally festivals around rain. Because they know that means the entire year is good. Imagine you and I are stressed about getting a paycheck on Friday. The farmer gets a paycheck once a year. He gets one paycheck a year. And if it doesn't rain, that year's paycheck ain't coming. So when it rains, he knows paychecks around the corner. He knows harvest season's around the corner. So he's ecstatic. But what I want to share with you is, Allah took all of those things and compared them to rain and a farmer. Why? Can I have the new Hot Wheels crazy jump toy? Can I have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles action figure? If I just have that, I'll be happy. And then the child is walking into the store, Toys R Us. And from a distance he can see the Ninja Turtle. أعجب الطفل اللعوبة. The toys impressed him. It's actually happening. I'm going to get it. You get called in for a second interview. There's the eyes bulge out. Their family said yes. Uh-oh. The loan application went through and you're about to go into your house. You're in your last semester of college and it's the last week and you're like getting butterflies in your stomach because you're going to graduate. You get so happy. These are milestones in life that people celebrate. And then he says, ثُمَّ يَهِيجُ. Then it turns yellow. It's so confusing. If a farm is going to go mature, then it's supposed to be cut before it turns yellow. Allah says it'll turn yellow. Turning yellow means the farmer wasn't interested in cutting it. He didn't take opportunity. He didn't cut it. And you know what? That's worldly life. You get something, you lose interest in it. You want that toy more than anything else in the world until there's another toy that you don't have. You want that car more than anything else until the next year's model came out. Until that came out, I don't even know why I wasted my money on this one. You love your house more than anything else until you visited their house. Did you see their house? That was amazing. You just become dissatisfied. It turns yellow for you. فَتَرَاهُ مُصْفَرًا. So it matures, yahij, فَتَرَاهُ مُصْفَرًا. You're going to watch it turn yellow. ثُمَّ يَكُونُ حُطَامًا. Hutam came in the previous surah. What was hutam? Worthless. Then it'll become something you just step on, you don't even realize it. It's worthless to you. That money, those children, the zina, all of it is worthless. All of it just goes. There's no value left in it. وَفِي الْآخِرَةِ عَذَابٌ شَدِيدٌ. And in the end, the only thing left is either intense punishment or forgiveness from Allah. وَمَغْفِرَةٌ مِّنَ اللَّهِ وَرِضْوَانٌ. And His contentment. On top of all things, His contentment. Allah's pleasure. And also means you'll have pleasure. You'll be content. You'll finally find the one thing you cannot find in anything else. Contentment. You'll be satisfied. I'll be satisfied. Allah is telling us those things are going to be there. Don't let them distract you from the fact that you and I are here to either save ourselves from punishment or earn Allah's forgiveness and truly find satisfaction where only satisfaction can be found. وَمَا الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا مَتَاعُ الْغُرُورِ. And what is worldly life if not just means by which people get deceived? Means of